Hi, I'm Wanda from Alanda Craft, and today we're going to make our very first cut with our DX machine. And so I'm going to work from the getting started guide and make the box that's in the instructions inside. So let's get started and show you how to do it. So going through the steps that are in the guide, the Let's Get Started guide, I've removed the protective plastic cover from the mat. I've got my cardstock on the mat. I have my blade inserted, and I've got my mat inserted into the machine. So now I'm going to select the pattern. Come up here to patterns. I'm going to use the same pattern that they've used in the guide. It's this one here, and the second one across. Now here you can change the size of your pattern if you wish. I'm just going to leave everything the same. I go set. Now when you come to this screen, if you had a smaller pattern, you could add another pattern to the mat if you wish to. There's also some other functions here that you can use. You can also go off and do your tool settings. I'm not going to edit anything. I'm just going to press OK. Now I come up here to please select, and it says you want to cut or draw. We're going to cut. And here we are. You can do a test cut if you wish, but I'm just following through the guide which says that everything should be perfect for this. So we're just going to go start. And one thing you'll notice about this machine is it's extremely quiet. Okay, we've finished cutting, so I'll press OK and then eject the mat. Let's just have a look. The mat is quite sticky. I need my spatula here. Okay, it's cut perfectly. See, it's got the score lines here around. So there we are. We have our box cut out, and it's the same box that's in the Let's Get Started guide. Now it cut perfectly. There was no mishaps. It didn't cut through the mat or anything. It just worked from get-go. So I'd advise you to go through the first steps in the Let's Get Started guide and make that box, and just make sure that your machine's working perfectly as well when you get it. So there you go. Now if you've enjoyed this tutorial, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.